back to another video, guys. I'm going to be teaching you how to do that, the card dribble. What you want to do is put your middle finger here, your ring finger, right here in the front of the deck, and then you want to have your thumb in the back, and then your index finger, pointer, right in the middle, kind of pushing in a little bit. So that your index finger kind of helps put a little bit of pressure in the middle, so you can do this in the back. So you want to practice just going through the cards just like this. And then you have your hand just like this to kind of, catch the cards as you drop them. But you do this, and then you just kind of use your thumb and just riffle through the cards. Just go through the cards just like this, and just let go. And that's kind of just how you do it. And each card, with a little bit of practice, each card eventually will just kind of come and dribble. Super awesome, super cool. And every trick takes practice, so don't give up. You can do it. Hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications, and I love you so much. And also, thank you so much for 4,000 subscribers. I love each and every one of you, and let's keep going strong. Boom!